Today's episode is called On the Farm.
Today I'm going to Appley Family Ranch to see some really cute animals at their petting zoo. Won't you join me? So they have this really cool water thingy. I don't really know what it's called, but it looks cool. And they have horses and a pony. So guess who's going on a pony ride? Yay, it's me. Oh my gosh, look at me. I am riding a pony. Woohoo! Don't I look like I know what I'm doing? So while I'm waiting for the hayride to take me to the petting zoo, I'm checking out all these cool critters around here. Like this huge lizard. He is so big. And of course chickens, because you can't have a farm without chickens. They are so cute. And a piggy. And chickens again, because I just want to feed some chickens. They are so cute, and there's some that are so fluffy. Do you see those? They're so cute. Finally, the hayride is here, so off I go. Take a look, they also have a really cool train that you can ride around. What? Is that a camel? Oh my god, there's two camels, they're so cute. Those are hedgehogs, no way, they're adorable. Who's speaking through there? Oh my god, it's a baby zebra. Oh my god, he is so cute. Oh, who's in there? Let's see. Oh my god, it's a kangaroo. Oh, so cute. Is that a prairie dog? Oh my goodness, look at those cheeks. He's adorable. No way. And there's bunnies too. Could this get any better? Next, we get to see a really cute anteater and hear how she eats.
Oh, so they just use their little tongue, which is a lot of like mucus and spit on their tongue. That helps to coat their tongue from being bitten by the ants. And they'll take their tongue and they'll kind of whack it all around, which helps kill some of the ants that they eat, so it won't bite them.
Oh my goodness, look at Belle. She is the cutest little baby fox ever. I hope everyone is having just as much fun as I am. Let's hop over to our next animal. Meet Caesar. He's a Munchkin deer, sometimes also called a barking deer. He's so cute, and he's eating from my hand for the first time today. These cows are so friendly and love to be pet. These sheep are so fluffy! Look at these hungry goats. They just can't get enough of this food. They're so pretty to look at though. Look at those gorgeous eyes. Let's go check out who else is here. These miniature horses are the best. I even got to feed one. These are alpacas, and they're a little bit smaller and fluffier than llamas. They're really cute, except for those funny looking teeth. Alright, now let's walk over here and see who is in here. And it looks like it might just be a lemur family. Oh yes it is. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them sitting there. And then we have an emu and some piggies and some turtles as well. Look how cute. I get to even touch one. Next we're gonna get to see some parrots, some more piggies, a turkey, and a peacock. So cool. Thank you so much for joining me today on this cool trip to the Applewhite Family Ranch and seeing all the fun animals that live here. I hope you enjoyed yourselves as much as I did, and I will see you next time.
Everybody, click the subscribe button down here to get updates on our new videos. See you soon.
Munchkin.